Hey guys, with a recent new 2020, a lot of us sitting longer hours behind a desk, a lot of us have less movement, which basically adds up to more pressure and more overuse in our lower back, in our upper trapezius, in our middle trapezius, causing aches and stiffness and pain. Today I'm going to share two different exercises that I personally do for myself. I do it for my clients/students. I do it for my own siblings and family members. I'm going to advise you of the two. First one is if you already have invested in a foam roller, I'd like you to invest in the foam roller. I prefer the longer one, but I don't have that with me right now. I'm going to use the medium one. We're going to place the foam roller here where you can see it. We're going to position our feet on the floor and lay on the foam roller with your shoulder blades squeezed on the roller, like this. Now, keep in mind your head has to be completely rested. And you're going to do an exercise called angels. Squeeze the shoulder blades on the roller and move your hands upwards in that plane of motion, squeezing your shoulder blades, and down. You're going to do 10 of these all the way here, like that. And what that's going to do, it's going to get your posture pulled back. Look how I am right now. Straight, shoulders down, chest up, open you up from this position to this position. The second exercise I'm going to show you is for your lower back, and in return, also the entire back, which is called a cat and cow. This is wonderful. Watch this. I do this several times a day while I'm coaching my clients virtually. Okay, this is how you do it. Hand, shoulder, hip, knee. Inhale on the way up. And exhale on the way down. So as you can see, the entire spinal column has vertebrae in between, and it's loosening it up, and it's going through the motion. So I basically do about 2 sets of 10 per day, spread out every couple of hours, and that kind of keeps me nice and loose, moving, being able to coach, being able to squat, being able to do things. I highly recommend it for you if you're working behind a desk, if you've got pain here, if you've got pain here. Hopefully this helps you out. Have a blessed day. Stay strong. Stay positive. Ciao.